calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now.
What's up, guys? Let me open the door so I can tell you what's going on. AGSupercars, hashtag anti-stock team, and this is how we do it. Ready to go. It's hard for a big motherfucker like me to get in these little cars, bro. Kind of big. Because you can't really go anywhere. So how long have you been like fucking around with cars? Your whole life? Whole life. You're passionate about something. You're passionate about something. It's always been in my genetics. My mom, my grandma, my grandpa. Really, bro? Yeah. So say no more. It makes perfect sense. Are you kidding me? I have no idea what it was. My own private little racetrack. People would have wrecked right there. Oh yeah, they would have, dude. All day long. So it's, you know, the thing is, I belong on a racetrack, but you need hundreds of millions of dollars just to want to go play there. So that's kind of the whole issue, is that, and give back and create value. That's number one what we're trying to do, you know? I'll tell you right now, dude, this is a great idea, only in the sense because, like, not only are you going to protect lives, protect the company, so that way, I mean, dude, like, I want to do 180, but you see the two cops there? I saw them right there, bro. So that's all. I was like, oh, okay, let's see what these guys are going to say. Gotta be looking out for them, I know. They've been watching all day. Always got to keep your head on a swivel with these fucking cops, bro. They're always cops somewhere, dude. Yep. But I got a radar for it, like in my head, you know, from I was just gonna say, I was like, is it built into the dash, or? Yeah, no, so I know there's cars that have them like built into the grills and stuff. Right. Giggling and laughing. They were. That's why I was like, I gotta start what's up, man. Oh man, this is the type of shit like this That was fucking awesome, bro. I haven't done that in so long, dude. He told me to back it up a little bit. That's exactly what I wanted to show you. I'm like, hey man, let me show you what's up, dude. This for me is just a lot of fun, dude. People get scared of it. I'm like, so this is what I'm trying to build up, man. This is what we're all about. This is something that I don't want to share this with the world. Wow. There goes that. Yeah. There goes that. Yeah, let's at least doing 100.
Easy.
I'm so confused how he's not sliding out.
It is all wheel.
Wow. I can't wait to see Hector's face.
This shit ain't cheap, dude. I'll tell you that right now.
It's not cheap at all,
A couple $100,000 for these cars, bro.
Yeah. So, but I mean, this is, you're getting a taste.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
we do this.
I can only imagine if you're on an open track, dude, like that.
Oh, we don't use the racetrack. So we don't do the racetrack. It's all on public roads.
Oh, God.
And we have our own route. We do it right there by the MacArthur. We have all the cruise ships. We do. I'm telling you, man. I'm giving you like a little taste of it.
Oh, dude, that's awesome.
Okay. Yeah. So Eddie, your experience on this. Obviously, he's a veteran, but he was impressed.
It's just a lot of fun, man. If you're looking for an adrenaline rush, baby, this is what it's about right here, dude. So, how often do you get to do something like this? Not very. So when you do, go all out, baby. Go balls to the walls.
Awesome, dude. Awesome.
Your turn. Your turn.
Oh, bro, I would love to, bro. I want to.
All right.
Put my credit card deposit down, though.
It's a little wet. I mean,
No, I wouldn't do it now. I mean, like for me, I like more like, you know, controlled environments. I wouldn't mind, like, hey, being able to say that the wheels can spin freely a little bit easier.
But there's a little bit of,
It requires a little bit of understanding the car that you're first time he drives it, because he wants to push the limits, and you understand that. Right. That's the fun part. Like, unless you're trying to do that, like, you're not gonna know what to do with shit. Not for sure.
Yeah, man, well, that's what we're here for. In this car especially, when you sit in it, you're sitting much lower to center of gravity. And the problem with it is that, look at the dash, right? It's literally a quarter of the front end of the car. You're not sitting here, you're sitting all the way over here. That causes a lot of problems with people that don't understand the width of the car, the length of the car, right? Where this wheel ends and this tire begins. All these things are like huge in safety, like tire safety. And it'll translate for their daily drive. That's why we don't want to do racetrack. Because then they'll feel like, oh, everything I learned, I need a racetrack.
Yeah, exactly. I can't do this on a normal work. No.
That's not what we want. We want them to attain all this on a daily basis. And it'll save their car, maybe even their life at one point.
To understand that they know how to bottom we can get out of a situation. Or, you know, regularly, they just saw full. It's raining every couple days. It's raining around here, so understand what happens when you lose control of your car.
No brake,
overreact.
no oversteering, no overreaction.
That's what I tell like, you know, hasn't happened to me.
When we go to car shows, we provide this as a service for the car show, especially for younger kids. I just gave one of the cameramen that's right here, dude, super young. He's like, bro, oh my God, some pictures of the car, dude. You know that? Yeah, I'm like, yeah, let's go for a ride.
That is fulfillment, right there. Exactly what you just described.
Exactly.
And that's what's so exciting when people go to these events. Like, if you can do that for one person, like, hey,
It's
like,
worth it.
that was worth better than talking to as many people that were out there the whole 9 yards.
Tell them about your fulfillment, your ride.
Hector, I got Hector in here.
You got in there, bro. It's fun, huh?
Bro, that was ridiculous.
It's not scary. It's fun for me.
I told them I didn't even once feel like I was in danger.
No, of
Right?
course not, dude.
I know.
That's why I'm so excited. Like on his video, you just hear me laughing the entire time. I'm like, yeah!
It feels like an explosion in your body,
Oh,
right?
bro, I'm on a high right now.
Right, you still are, right?
I'm on a high right now, dude. Like, I don't need a shot of espresso right now.
and you're a veteran, so it says a lot. It says
Of
a lot.
course, bro. You kidding me? That's why, like, I don't get to experience that, like, that often.
That's
If I
all
could do this. If I could do this all the time, bro, I'd be like, I do it all the time, dude. You
smile.
kidding me?
But yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Well, we'll link up.
I'm ready to go.
That's insane.
Oh my God. You know what it is, bro? You knows how to fucking drive. You knows how to fucking. Anyone else in that car that didn't know drive like that, you would have crashed, bro. I thought doing the crash was
He was like, oh, he had a whole shit on it.
Bro, sideways over here, yo. That fucking calm is ridiculous. The grip.
Driver.
Oh, we sideways.
Hector, how you feel right now?
I feel great!